Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by lining up essentials. Ensure you have Jett and the Dash unlocked, then bind it to a reliable key you can reach without hesitation. Once done, test quick taps and held dashes in a warm-up to feel the difference. Practicing in a private match makes that muscle memory real. Make sure to scan the minimap and call out intent so teammates adjust. Now step toward the edge of cover and prepare a short, controllable dash to close distance or reposition immediately. When you engage, commit to an objective. Dash to reset your aim or to bait a reaction, and pair that movement with a crouch or jump to break predictable patterns. Once you see enemy fire or utility, time your dash to slip into cover or behind a smoke. This reduces exposure and increases survival. Make sure to coordinate with a teammate throwing utility so you dash through their screen advantage. Keep short, deliberate pushes rather than long exposed runs so you maintain control of the fight. To finish an encounter, land the dash, then instantly recenter your crosshair and clear nearby angles. You must convert movement into accurate shots. If your health is low, reserve dash for disengage and retreat to safe ground instead of forcing the duel. Once the round ends, review the dash timing and adjust bindings if needed so mistakes don't repeat. If the dash doesn't move you as expected, pull back to cover, switch to your secondary immediately, and communicate the failure so teammates adapt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.